So in this dynamic dropdown, what I'll do, I'll just start with reference here.
Okay.
Reference types is equal to what? Cypress.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm getting here errors here. See?
The single quote. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll use describe here
Okay.
to verify dynamic button.
Okay.
It. Now again to open the Air India, same.
Okay.
I'm using another like file to get more clear idea,
Oh, I see. I see.
Yeah, and verify the dyna- dynamic. Okay, again I'm using this callback function.
Mm-hmm.
See, for a callback function, you can also write like this, huh? Remove this fat arrow operator. Okay, just put your function here. Doesn't matter. Both are same.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah.
So like we are dealing with ES6 now, like in JavaScript. So in this
Mm-hmm.
we get like a shortcut method for this function. Don't need to write function. Only give the fat arrow operator here.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I have to visit that one. So cy.visit https dot airindia dot in. Okay.
Okay.
Now I
Uh-huh.
just go to this and I just click that one dynamic drop down here. Okay, let me stop this one. Okay. Now you can see here.
Mm-hmm.
I'll just showcase you this in
Oh,
India.
okay. Did it say any uncaught exception or was it?
Pardon?
It said some uncaught exception or is it loading
Yeah, you'll get the
in the
yeah
runner?
yeah you'll get the uncaught exception here. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Uh, why is that? What is that?
This
Oh,
one, no?
okay.
This one.
But it still passed.
Yeah, it
Mm-hmm.
passed because I already used that one. I'll let you know what I have used. Like like whenever you get this na like something this
Uh-huh.
exception, so you need to write some code here in describe method. Like this one, you have to write this one Cypress C capital Cypress dot on. That one is
That runnable?
yeah,
Yeah.
correct. Uncaught exception.
Uh, right.
Exactly. Okay.
So that will take care of that.
Exactly. Just give the false here. Return false.
Return false. Yeah.
Now, see in this website, if you see carefully, you will get this from and to. These are the two text boxes having a dynamic drop down nature, nature. If I click A here,
Right.
so I'm getting this value list of this A. See, got it?
Okay.
Yeah. If I
Mm-hmm.
press here in this two button, if I press something like N, so I'm getting the names starting with N. So
Okay.
this is the dynamic, nature you can see. But in this case, I'm not getting, like proper values. They all start with A only. Okay. But when I run
Oh,
this, then at the
alphabetic.
time I'll getting the correct one. So I'll let you know how to do that one. So first of all,
Okay.
what I'll need, like for example, if I had to choose some city, like for example in Agra, I'll choose
Okay.
Agra here. Agra to Berlin or something I'll choose here.
Okay.
So first of all, I need to locate this, locate about this text box. So I'll just right click here,
Mm-hmm.
go to inspect. See, I'm getting this one.
Mm,
Got it?
yeah.
This is
Mm-hmm.
I'm getting.
Yes. Yes. It's an input box. Yeah.
Yeah. So in this input box, ID is from, like ID is from, and
Mm-hmm.
my tag name is input. Let me check if I use hash ID, what will I'll get here from,
Okay.
hash.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm
Hmm.
getting two. So I can also
Two of
use,
two.
yeah, I can also use the index, and I also can use the tag name input ID equal to from.
Okay.
Yeah, one of one I'm getting here.
Nice.
Yeah. So I'll take this one.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll take this one. I'll just go to my VS Code. I'll just see why dot visit here. Okay. Now I have to send some string to that text box. So I'll just, like in Selenium we use send keys now.
Right.
So in Cypress we use just type here.
Type. Yeah.
Type A. So now see what happened now. See the A got printed here, and all the,
Hmm.
yeah, all the names starting with A you will get displayed here. Correct?
Hmm.
Yeah. So in this case, like I'll choose the Agra here. Correct?
Yes.
So what I'll do, I'll just click here. Okay, inspect this one. What I'll do for to clear idea, I just go to the site. I just click here A. I'm getting this, so I just go to this Agra. I'll just locate this,
Okay.
locator for this string.
Okay.
Yeah. So see, I'm getting this Agra here. Okay.
Ah.
So all
Oh.
these LI is there, correct? Under this ID, no ID2, all these LIs are
Yes.
there. So many LIs are there in the like class, UI
Right.
menu, yeah, yeah. So in this
Mhm.
case, if you see, I'm getting here so many classes of the same name.
Yes.
Out of this class name, only one class contain this agra kira a. Okay, so I have to choose that string from this classes.
Mm.
Listen carefully, huh? So in that case I'm using the each iterator, and
Each
but
iterator.
each
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
to iterate, like we use for loop na in C, Java, C plus plus, right?
Right, 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 right.
So here in JavaScript I'm like Cypress I'm using like each function iterator, and but the question arises here, like
Hmm.
uh, you have one class ID. Okay,
Okay.
like not class, sorry, locator ID. Okay, I'm choosing this ID here. So
Mm.
as a parent ID, this contains so many classes, like child classes, you can say, of this ID.
Yes.
So in this ID you have to select that string from these classes. Okay, so you need some function for this. Okay, so in
Okay.
that case you required one function called as find.
Oh, find that particular li that has that class where
Exactly,
you have your thing. Okay. Okay.
exactly. So first let me check like this ID is working for me or not.
Okay.
Second, where is that ID? Just go to here. Okay, now, okay, I'm just going to Agra. Yeah, this ID too. I just select this ID here. Control C.
Okay.
Check it out here now. Yeah, unique ID I'm getting here. Choose
Okay.
this one. Just go to your code. Just type here cy dot get your ID. Okay. Now,
Okay.
now you have to choose, that class. There's so many classes
Okay.
na, that contain Agra. Na. This Agra contain this class. No,
Yes.
this class.
Yes.
Take this class.
Okay.
Just see whenever you are writing find function. Na, so find function we cannot write individually. It always come with some chain. With get or some function it comes like find.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now I am using each iterator because I am having so many uh, classes of the same name UI menu, and using each iterator I am just clicking that particular Agra one. So
Okay.
for each I am using here, first one is like it's EL, it's element, it stands for elements. You can also put dollar here, doesn't matter. Dollar
Okay.
EL, yeah. Index, second option is index, and third one list. So I'll let you know one by one how to use
Okay.
element, index, and list. But in this today's lecture,
Okay.
I can only show you the element one. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now afterward, what you will do, like use just close that one, and use the callback function here. Okay. So I'm getting here error. Yeah, I have to put here double bracket here. It's gone now. Yeah. Now I'm using
Mm.
this each iterator. Okay. Now,
Okay.
yeah. So this I want to click the single element, na single string. So that single string should come here in this EL. Okay, and I have to grab that one.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so each is like for loop. Is like roaming inside this class UI menu. So all the
Okay.
strings coming to this EL. Okay, so
Mm.
I want to pick particular some no, that Agra one. So before
Right.
that, what I'll do, I'll just check it out that whether this EL is taking all the strings or not. So I'll just
Okay.
take one constant variable here. Okay, in that I'll just take one EL element, this EL dollar AL. Okay, and I'll just use the jQuery function text, grab that value,
Mm. Okay.
and I just print that one whether that A contain all the values, all the strings or not. So I just set on cy dot log A.
Mm.
Got it? Or check it out whether all the values getting displayed or not.
Okay.
See now I'm getting one error here.
Mm.
Assistant timeout returning after 4 minutes. Expect to wait. Okay, so what I'll use here, for example, if suppose I'll take cy dot wait.
Okay.
Let me check now what happened.
Okay.
Again, it's showing that
Mm.
it's not getting the value. So what I'll do in that case, I'll just go to my site and just check
Okay.
it out as whether this classes is correct or not. Just I'll check it out. Dot. This one I'm getting.
Mm.
Got it?
Yeah. So you did the kind of like the parent class ID, and then you did a space
Yeah,
and put the child class,
exactly.
um, the
Exactly.
class.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. But in my case, I don't want particular value, of your class. I want all the classes. And I have to choose that value from that classes. But in my case, what happened, if I'm putting this UI menu now, yeah. So basically, the mistake, what mistake I have done, can you see? In this line, I have done one mistake. Can you just find out that mistake?
Yeah, you have taken all the list, but we want to go to that particular list under which we have this Agra. Is that right?
Yeah, but the
You have
error,
several LIs, so there is one LI that we want to get to.
yeah, but
Correct.
the error is showing
Mm.
like the UI menu is not getting na.
Yes.
So can I show you what mistake I have done?
Hmm.
Okay. So you don't know?
So I think in the child menu, you have to get to the list that has Agra in it, where instead you went through the whole thing. Is that right?
No, 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 no. See,
Okay.
the mistake which I have done now, I have forget to put here dot operator.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay.
Now see
Oh,
here.
yeah, class.
Yeah,
Oh,
in
yeah,
class
yeah,
now.
yeah.
Now it's showing what?
Uh,
Again, I'm telling you
timed
that
out.
yeah, this one is not getting,
Hmm.
but we have choose the correct one.
Okay. What does it say? It says never found it.
It's saying never found it. Yeah, this is the ID we have taken now.
Yes.
One of one. Take
Yes.
this again once again. I just put here. Doesn't happen.
See, it is going to the site and typing A.
Yeah, yeah, it's working. See,
Hmm.
can you see it showing all these cities name?
Log. Yeah. I see the list.
All the cities name. Like if I want to count now, how many cities are there? So it'll approximately 204 links.
Okay. So how? What did we miss the last time?
Nothing is like we can say runtime error.
Okay. There may be something.
Yeah, I haven't done anything. It's working fine right now.
Hmm.
Now, now I have grabbed all the values or all the strings, or you can say all the cities name.
Hmm.
Okay, the concept is like that. Scenario is like that. I want to choose particular Agra only. That string Agra.
Right.
So, what do you think? What as a test engineer or as a programmer, what logic you will build in that case?
You have to find the locator for that particular element that you want to choose and make
No,
sure
I
that's
cannot.
unique.
No, I cannot choose the single one because my strings are there having the locator class, and class is like 204 classes are there. So I have to choose among all the classes the one value.
Okay, so it's kind of like how we do select by index or select by value for static. Can we do the same with the each?
If we are dealing with like ish na, so we already have index method, but right now we are not
Okay.
going to the index or list, correct?
Oh,
As of
oh,
now, we are
right, right.
yeah. As of now, I want that we should take that value element, and
Okay,
yeah, and from element we have to choose the string from among all these strings.
right.
Yeah.
So each is used to iterate through this list of items and pick what we want, like using text or value or index.
Okay. Like if I ask you actually like you have done using Selenium, correct? You use Java, correct?
Yes.
So in that case, what will you do to select particular string among all these strings?
Yeah, use for each loop and find that string. So iterate through a loop.
Okay, you are iterating, you are getting all these things, but you want to grab particular string only.
Okay, so if it is that, then you would do a CISO for this that one. If it contains dot contains or something like that.
Uh, not dot contains. We use some jQuery function like includes, or before
Ah,
that,
okay,
yeah,
okay.
and before that,
Oh, here.
before include we
Mhm.
use if condition.
Right, right, right.
Yeah,
If it has.
whether you
Mhm.
use if or I just use equal to sign here. If A is equal to,
Okay,
yeah, A equal to, like my string is just copy that string. You have to copy the exact string, to compare that one. I just,
right.
yeah, I just check it out this one. I just go there, go here, and just in double quote, single quote, I just press here. Okay, now in that case, I just write down here cy dot. See, now your Agra is there in that element, okay,
Mm,
and you want to click that element, so you cannot click directly. So you have to wrap
mm.
that one, like wrap $el.
Okay.
Yeah. Then click here. You cannot directly click that one, So just check it out.
Okay, so what does the wrap function do again?
Uh,
Why?
I'll let you know. One second. Just check it out the result here.
Okay. Because that's one of the things that I was looking at, and it was not super clear. And I found something very similar syntax that you were explaining,
Hmm.
but now it makes some sense. Up until this point, it makes sense, except that uh, the wrap part. Uh,
Hmm.
so I can apply it when needed. And in what context do you apply wrap is what I don't know.
Right.
Oh, nice.
Good. You got the result.
Mm-hmm.
Let me check here. It's taking time now. Just wait a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, it click here. It got the result.
Mm,
So
yes.
now you can see here, like this text. Okay, it's a jQuery method.
Okay.
So this el element accessing this jQuery method. Okay, so like for that jQuery method, okay, or we can say jQuery element, we before to click that one, we want to wrap that one.
Okay.
Got my idea?
So the element is, we're using the jQuery method text
Hmm.
to catch the value of that element.
Yeah,
And you cannot click it directly, so we're using the wrap
yeah.
method. Okay.
Or you can also say, you can also think like that, that your text containing all the values is accessing these elements. Okay, and that element you cannot click directly, so that's why you wrap that one.
Okay. So wrap is usually used to manipulate the element
Not manipulate. Actually, like
to
any
click.
any data which stores some values, like for example, one variable storing some values, okay, and we have to click that value.
Okay.
Yeah, so we need that wrap.
Okay.
Yeah. So likewise, I have to explain you like how to automate this one, Agra. So what I want, You just try to automate this one from take any string using the same concept, only difference is
Mm-hmm.
locators.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
and also
Mm-hmm.
I'll explain you one thing. Like we have used this na a triple a equal to sign. Instead of that, what I'll do,
Mm-hmm.
I'll just comment it.
Okay.
Yeah, one second. I'll just comment it, and instead of this, what happened? A is not get committed here. Yeah. Now I'll use include here. If
Okay.
a dot includes,
Mm.
correct?
Okay.
What happened now? Check it out. It's working or not?
Hmm. It's kind of slow this time.
Pardon?
It is a little slow this time. It was
Yeah, it's
working
slow.
faster
Yeah, yeah,
earlier.
it's slow this time. Might be some issue. Let me check here. I think we get this green, na? Green line indicates that it's working.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it got selected here using includes.
Yeah, yeah. Okay,
So
okay. So there's more than
either
one way to do it.
yeah, you can either take equal to sign or you can include here.
Okay, okay.
Okay, Rajalashmi. Oh, sorry, Rashri. Then will
Okay, so I'll work on these two that you suggested. So the 10, 15. So, okay.
yeah.
Uh,
You
so
try
90
to
minutes. So,
yeah. You try to
yeah.
automate the second one.
Okay. Today I'm off, so I have some time to work on things.
Yeah.
So the next time we'll look at any other feature and
We'll
just do the
we'll
Jenkins and
we'll solve that Jenkins one before start.
yeah.
Yeah, because the more of
Okay.
the
And
yeah,
uh-huh.
yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, the one question I had, I hope you understood it.
Hmm.
The how to find the maybe pick a test for a regression suite and how do you do it in uh, pass the git. I mean, I know how to pass the git link to Jenkins, but
Mhm.
how do you pick those test suites, tests for that regression suite, and make a link, because you'll have your own branch, right? You can't test everything that's on there when you forked it.
Hmm.
Um, so that's the part I kind of want to
Okay,
know. So
I'll
if
let you.
you have
Yeah,
yeah,
sure. I'll let you know tomorrow when the class start. Don't worry.
yeah. So I put the class timings on there. So it's for me, it's tomorrow night. For you, I don't know. Right now it's evening, right?
Yeah, it's evening.
So
Yeah,
today this is Monday evening for you.
yeah,
So
exactly.
Wednesday morning. So you won't have class